So for 3 years.
For 3 years.
Yeah, first 3 years I'll be training in Khadagwasla, NDA, and then last year I'll be going in Doon Defence
in
AFA, first grade.
AFA. Okay. So the boards are different for Navy, Army,
and Air Force.
Actually, I've prepared for civil services. I don't have much idea about this armed forces.
Doon Defence Academy, Sandeep Sir.
Jai Hind. Hello everyone, and we have another DDA diamond with us, Karan Gaur, who have secured 141st position in NDA examination. He will be joining National Defence Academy Khadagwasla in January 2025 for the 153rd course. He's here to share his experience with us, how he prepared for the examination, and interestingly, he has been recommended for Air Force from Varanasi board, right?
Yes, sir.
So welcome, Karan. First of all, huge congratulations to your success.
Thank you, sir.
Karan, first tell us something about yourself.
So I am from Etah, Uttar Pradesh. Defense has always been my first priority and was my dream from start. My father was in Air Force. He has served for 26 years.
Oh, wow.
And was retired from Delhi only, where I end up settling. I play basketball and I also play chess. I played national level at both those sports. So this was about me, sir.
This is one. And how many siblings do you have?
So I have a elder sister, sir.
Elder sister. And you got inspiration to join Air Force from your father only. You
Yes,
must
sir,
have seen him
definitely.
in uniform. Okay. And how did you came to know about Doon Defence Academy when you were preparing for the examination, NDA examination?
So we were 3 friends actually who
Okay.
cleared NDA from the same class.
Oh, yeah.
Shivam was from my school only.
Yeah.
So we prepared together, and when we were searching for a good coaching, we googled it obviously, and after reading the stats, we chose Doon Defence Academy, sir. And I came here in the October 2023.
Okay, I interviewed Shivam also,
Yes, sir.
and both of your interviews will be published on the same day on the YouTube channel.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Shivam, and you got the motivation from your family. What were your strategies for the preparation?
So initially I did not have much idea about the process. So I took coaching to get an exposure about the whole process. So I came here in the 16th October I came here. It helped me, the academy helped me to improve my OIR, improve my verbal abilities, which is very needed in the SSB. So the first time I was conference also. So I realized the need of preparation. Self-preparation. So the academy gave me a lot of material, a lot of practice, but it was still not enough. So then I again went to the table board. So I started preparing again, improved my verbal abilities, did more lectures, did read the book that was given to me, which I did not read in the first attempt. Also, I helped my friends helped me in the interview process. We together gave the psych test and did a lot of group discussions. So my only strategy was to prepare with the friends in a group so that you can check each other, you know. And with that strategy, you can improve very fast.
Yeah, with your friends,
sir.
you can improve very fast.
Yes, sir.
And there must have been some sense of competition among friends.
No, sir, actually, because
You were supporting each other.
yes, sir, because we knew that if we had that qualities, we'll get recommended. If we did not have that qualities, we'll not get recommended. So there was not such a competition.
Okay.
So 4 of us friends have been recommended this time,
Okay,
sir.
nice, very nice. That's wonderful.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and again one question, Karan, that I have, that what is better option? What is better mode of preparation, offline coaching, online coaching? Because there are many of online platforms, like we have seen there are many online platforms and they are like selling these programs like at a very nominal fee. Are they beneficial? Have you tried any one of them?
So I haven't tried any, but I can say for sure that either you take no coaching or you take a offline coaching.
Offline coaching.
Because the group discussions cannot happen in a online mode.
Yeah.
If there is a chaos in a offline mode, you cannot even listen in the online mode. Then about the GTO, you cannot do anything. The only thing you can do is the psych test. And if you have a good friend circle and you have a basic knowledge, you can tackle that on your own also.
On your own
so
also.
If you are taking a coaching, then take a complete coaching and take a offline one, or you do not take a coaching.
It's like a cafeteria coaching on your own convenience,
Yes,
like
sir.
online coaching. When you want to study, you can just turn on the phone and all, right? And what advice you want to give to the upcoming aspirants who are preparing for NDA examination, SSB, who must have been, they are awaiting for the SSBs. What advice do you want to give to the aspirants?
First of all, make a group with your friends so that you can prepare. Be honest in the SSB, which is very needed. Most of the people try to fake in the SSB, which gets which affects their own performance, because you cannot be consistent if you are faking your personality. So be honest, prepare with a group, and prepare hard. Try to do as much practice as you can, because that will only improve your personality.
Okay, thank you, Karan.
Thanks, sir.
And I wish you best of luck for NDA and beyond.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, and we are proud to share your experience here on our platform.
Thank you, sir.
So this was Karan. He shared his journey from like DDA to National Defence Academy, which he will be joining obviously in January 2025. We wish him all the best. So stay tuned till we have another DDA Diamond who will be sharing his or her story on our platform. Until then, take care, stay blessed. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.